Welcome, first grade. So today we are starting a new project and it deals with an animal. So to start, what we need to do is if this is the middle of our paper, so if you look at your paper, if this is the middle, we're going to come down a ways and you're going to put a little dot where you think matches up with mine right there. Okay, so you can see my dot. Please put a dot on your paper. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go up a little bit and then out to one of the sides. So I'm going to go out here and I'm going to put a dot here, and then I'm going to go all the way across to the other side and put a dot there. So I have 1, 2, and 3. It looks like 2 dots close, but this one, and this one. Okay. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to come down, connect it with that dot, and then go up. Okay. Now, when I come down, if I don't touch that dot perfectly, it's okay. So let's say I come down and I miss it a little bit, that's okay. Right. So what we want is a nice little curve line. Okay. Then we're going to go probably up to about here. So if you look where this dot is, we're going to go all the way up to about here. So there's really only, I can fit like 3 fingers up at the top, right? So I'm going to put another dot there. Okay. Now I'm going to curve all the way up to the top and then come back down to here. Right. So we're going to draw this really nice and light, curve all the way up, and then come all the way back down like that. Okay. Then going up, so from here to here, if we kind of met in the middle, it'd be there. And we're going to come down to this dot. Right. Then we're going to go across, so about here, right? And there's dot. Now we're going to come down to this dot also. So you will notice it leaves you with kind of the letter V. So about here, we're going to imagine that we're going to go up to the corner here, and we're going to make ears. So the ears are like triangles, right? So if you want, you can put a dot up in the corners. Okay, so you can see my 2 dots. And then what I like to do is just above that line, right? I am going to come down like that and then over like that. So down and over like that. Okay, so now we have nice pointy ears. Okay. Now we're going to put a smaller triangle inside. Smaller triangle inside. And you'll notice there's space on both sides. Okay. Down about here, we're going to draw a dot that's a little bit lower than our first dot. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line that goes across like that. Okay, so you can see it starts here and it's basically a straight line that goes through the middle over to here. And then we're going to curve down to this dot and then come back up. All right. Then we don't want to go all the way out to the end. So if we kind of look at where the ears are, maybe come down. And what we're going to do is this is going to be the body. So we're going to kind of curve out. And then same thing, find where the ears are, come down, and then curve out. We're going to put some nice eyes with a small little oval up in the top right there. And then we want to kind of make the eye be about the same height. And we want to try to make the eye about the same size too. Now a little oval there. And this is the first step of what will be our fox. Right. So does it look like a fox right now? Nope. But we're going to be adding a bunch of lines next class. So good luck. Hopefully you have this. Again, you can always, if it doesn't turn out, you can turn to the next page and draw one more and then pick which one you like best and rewatch the video.